which, just to simplify that, if you don't write your own prenup, then the default position is the government will decide through the law how your assets are divided at a time when you break up. Problem is, people find prenups to be really unromantic.
That's right.
And they also think there's an implication that we're assuming we're going to break up, which is also not so sexy.
If both partners are on the same page and comfortable with it, it's not going to cause a major rift. And if it does, maybe that's a red flag.
Do you know what I mean? Why would it cause a rift?
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? And it's not to say that I'm just keeping all my stuff and you're keeping yours. It's just to say, let's agree now what would happen in the 50% probability that this doesn't work out.
Yeah, we've seen both. We've seen clients come up with very creative and interesting marriage contracts that have, specific formulas for how things are going to work. And depending on how many kids they have, it's kind of an interesting exercise. And in that case, kind of fun. And they were engaged in the process and it didn't cause an issue. And we've also seen people who did not have anything in place and have had very bad divorce outcomes from a financial perspective.
Oh,